Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator access because changing DNS requires elevated rights. Once done, check whether your device uses DHCP or a static IP and record existing DNS values for rollback. Now open the Network Control Panel. On Windows, use Network and Internet Settings. On macOS, choose System Preferences Network. On Linux, open your distro's Network Manager, or log into your router's web interface at its LAN IP. This gets you to the exact place to input new DNS entries. You now enter the DNS addresses. Find the IP4 DNS fields in your adapter or router settings. Replace the primary DNS with 8, 8, 8, 8, and optionally set 8, 8, 4, 4 as a secondary resolver for redundancy. If your interface uses DHCP, switch to manual DNS only if allowed, otherwise update DNS on the router. After saving, flush the DNS cache on your device so the new resolver is used immediately. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushdins. On Mac OS, use sudo dscacheutil flushcache and sudo killall. You finish by verifying the change. Use ping 8, 8, 8, 8 to confirm reachability and run enslookup example. com 8, 8, 8, 8 to ensure name resolution works through Google DNS. If pages still fail, make sure there's no local firewall, parental control, or ISP override, then reboot the router and device. As a troubleshooting tip, if you experience blocked sites or slow lookups, immediately revert to your recorded original DNS values to isolate whether the new resolver caused the issue. Then test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.